In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change profile picture on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app, then go to your profile page and then tap at that camera icon. Then tap at select profile picture. You will be taken to the page where you can scroll down and select profile picture from your uploads on Facebook or from your previous profile pictures, from cover photos. Also, you can add frame to your current profile picture. You can select any picture from suggested or from camera roll. I'm just gonna pick that one. Then, once we have selected a photo, we can edit it. If we tap right here, we'll be able to crop it. Just like that, we can move that square. Just like that. Also, we can rotate our picture, and once we've done with that, we can tap at done. Then also we can add there some stickers, text, or we can draw something. Also, we can add a frame to our picture. If we tap at frames, we'll be able to choose any frame from that list, or we can tap at see all to show up all the frames. Then we can also make that profile picture temporary. If we tap right here, we can choose 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, or custom. And also, before changing your profile picture, you can turn off share your update to newsfeed if you don't want to share it with your friends or followers. After that, to save the changes, tap at save, and now it says that my profile picture for my Facebook profile will also be updated on Instagram, cause I have connected my Facebook and Instagram. To continue, I'll tap at OK. That's how you can easily change profile picture on Facebook.